We are Channel 16, and we just hit a major milestone, turning the big 4-0. That's right, we're celebrating 40 years of producing award-winning, informative programming that reflects Fairfax County's diverse, creative, and empowered community. Our local government coverage has come a long way since we began recording the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors meeting on September 10th, 1984. Back then, around 1,300 homes in the county could tune in to watch. Fast forward 40 years, now over 1.2 million residents have access to live gavel-to-gavel meeting coverage of not just the Board of Supervisors meetings, but also the Planning Commission, Board of Zoning Appeals, and Board of Supervisors committee meetings. We've also expanded our reach beyond traditional television with live streaming, video on demand, podcasts, and popular social media platforms to connect with you wherever you are. Since cablecasting our inaugural show, we have produced over 32,000 hours of original programming. Our talented production and engineering teams work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that Fairfax residents are well informed, actively involved, and feel a strong connection to their local government. We take pride in our commitment to telling the story of Fairfax County, with content that aligns with Fairfax County's brand, mission, values, and goals. Our coverage extends to promoting the county's strategic plan, amplifying the chairman's report on the state of the county, highlighting the diverse expertise of county agencies, and providing a platform for board members to maintain an open dialogue with their constituents. We also introduced 16 Around Fairfax, a show featuring social media-friendly videos highlighting the latest community events, programs, and services happening around the county. Over the years, our commitment to excellence has resulted in over 300 national and local media awards, including Emmys, and being honored by the Alliance for Community Media as the best government access station in the country, 19 times. We are proud to provide residents with essential and accessible government information. We connect, we inform, we engage. We are Channel 16, celebrating 40 years of excellence in government television.